We just bought this place for $1. Let's see what $1 gets you these days. So we got this ramp that it's okay. We might end up replacing it. This is a mobile home. There's the living kitchen / living area. Back room. There's some sort of water damage that we will need to repair. We plan on repainting, redoing the floors. Here's the bathroom. This tub is unfortunately no good, so we're gonna have to replace that. The plan is to replace these appliances. We're definitely gonna get rid of this flooring. And then we've got our air conditioner unit. It's old, but it works. Bedroom number 2 is right here. That's going out. This patio area is not really safe, so we're gonna, obviously I'm walking on it now, but we're gonna end up redoing that entire thing. You can see where like it's falling in, it's no good. But overall, that's the place. Pretty cool, right?